everyone, and welcome back to the third video in my Beginner 101 series all about calligraphy. If you didn't see the first two videos, I will have them in the description box down below. Last time I covered everything you need to know about brush pens, and the first video is a complete overview to everything that you need to know if you're an absolute beginner with calligraphy. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be about faux calligraphy. So if you've never heard this term before, it's basically a way of doing calligraphy without actually using a brush pen. If you're not comfortable using brush pens, or you just don't have any available to you, or if you just want to experiment a little bit with your lettering, then faux calligraphy can be something really fun to try. Like I said before, you don't need any type of a brush pen for this. All you need is a regular old pen or fine liner. What we're going to be doing is taking your regular cursive handwriting and basically turning it into calligraphy. So the first thing you want to do is just write out the word in your normal cursive or handwriting, and then you want to identify where all of the downstrokes are. So when you're writing the letter, pay attention to where your pen is moving in a downward direction. And for each downstroke, you're just going to add in a second line that's parallel to the first. So it's just going to create a hollowed look to your lettering, and then you're just going to go ahead and fill in the space in between the two lines. And what this does is basically gives the effect of calligraphy, but you actually don't need a brush pen. This is a really simple technique, but you can do a lot of different variations on it. Here I'm just showing you a couple different examples of what your lettering can look like if you change up the thickness of the two lines. Obviously, having a larger contrast in between your upstrokes and your downstrokes gives a completely different effect. This technique works on all different types of handwriting, not just cursive. So right here I'm just showing you an example of some block lettering that I did, just doing the exact same thing, making a line where each letter has a downstroke and then filling it in. As you can see, this makes a huge difference, and it's great for if you're making headers or if you want your words to stand out a little bit more. The key is just to be consistent with the thicknesses across all the letters. So this was a really short video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little lettering hack. You don't need to have brush pens to make your handwriting look like calligraphy. All you need is a fine liner or a pen. If you are interested in learning how to do true brush calligraphy, then check out the first video in this series and stick around, because I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out where I talk more in depth about specific things related to calligraphy. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys again very soon with another video. Bye!
Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop.